Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I had Darren pre-cut because this box was taped very, very tight. Love that. If you want something to make it to its destiny, tape the, let's say, crap out of it. This is a doll I ordered on eBay. I have fallen deep, deep, deep into a rabbit hole, and I am really enjoying myself there, and that is the American Girl rabbit hole. And particularly, or for right now, the miniatures I enjoy as much as the large ones. Oh boy, she's cute. Soft body, Samantha, and she came with her original socks and these weird boots. Let's see if they fit. But I didn't know the boots were coming, so that's fun. And she has on some kind of, I'll bet those are Disney shoes. Anybody recognize those shoes? Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, they look weird, but there you go. She's got little welly. Oh, there you go. That's not a bad fit. Whose boots are these? Does anybody know? I bet Joni does at Joni's Doll Photography. These are fun little dolls, and they can be inexpensive on eBay. This one I wasn't going to buy, but she had a bottom bid, and no one was bidding. No one was bidding. She had very reasonable shipping, and so I put the bottom bid in, and guess what? I won. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Oh, and I meant to say, I really like the jean outfit. Probably the reason I bought her. And I'm not sure I said, this is Samantha.